Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which remain in litigation for 20 years, and the issue in the present case was that if the assessee is holding some shares as an investment company, meaning thereby that it is the business of the company to invest in various shares, and at the end of the year the market value of some shares goes down, can the assessee claim that reduction in the market value of the shares at the year end as a business loss? This issue has been decided by Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court in the case of Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Adinath Investment and Trading Company, and this case is reported in 476 ITR at page number 35, and the date of the judgment is 23rd July 2024. The assessment year is assessment year 93-94, and the assessee is a investment company, and while preparing the income tax return and when filing the income tax return, the assessee claimed reduction in the market value of the shares as capital loss and carry forward it. When the assessment proceedings of the assessee under section 147 was going on, the assessing officer, based on the assessment order of some another assessment year, that is 95-96, disallowed the capital loss of the assessee to be carried forward on the ground that it is not actual loss because the shares has not been sold, it is a notional loss, it should not be allowed. The assessee carried the matter to the CIT appeal. CIT appeal allowed the appeal of the assessee. The revenue filed the appeal before the tribunal, and when the matter was before the tribunal in the first round of litigation held that in the present case, since the assessee is an investment company, so the loss should not be treated as capital loss, it should be treated as business loss, and remanded the matter back to the assessing officer. Now in the second round of litigation, when the learned assessing officer was passing the order, he said that since the shares has not been sold in actual, so this notional business loss cannot be allowed to the assessee, and he accordingly disallowed the business loss. Now the assessee in the second round of litigation went to the CIT appeal, and the CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer on the same grounds. The assessee carried this matter to the tribunal, and when the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal said that in the present facts and circumstances of the case, the other high courts and the Honorable Supreme Court has given a clear mandate that in such type of circumstances, when the assessee is an investment company and if there is some reduction in the share in the market value of the shares, then in that case the assessee should be allowed that reduction in the market value of the shares as business loss, and hence the tribunal allowed the appeal of the assessee. So the revenue filed the appeal before the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and the court said that in the present case there is no denying the fact, and the facts has not been denied by the department, that before the right issue the price of the share was 610, and after the right issue the price of the share was 400. So there was a clear reduction in the price of the share at 210, which has been claimed by the assessee and which is to be allowed to the assessee as business loss as per the mandate of the various precedents of the various high courts and Supreme Court, and those judgments have been followed by the jurisdictional high court in the case of Naveen Jindal versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, which has been reported in 280 ITR at page number 608, and which is related to the assessment year 2006. So in the second round of litigation, the assessee at last got the benefit of that reduction in the market value of the shares as an investment company as a business loss. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Adinath Investment and Trading Company, and this case is reported in 476 ITR at page number 35, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court on 23rd July 2024. Thank you, friends.